Go green, starting an eco-friendly fashion brand. Hello and welcome! If you're a fashion designer with a passion for the planet, this episode is for you. Today we're diving deep into how you can launch an eco-friendly fashion brand that doesn't just look good, but also does good. From sustainable materials to ethical production, we'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take to build a label that leaves a lighter footprint on the earth. We'll also highlight the best countries for environmentally responsible manufacturing, so you know where to source and produce responsibly. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to bring your sustainable fashion dreams to life. Let's get into it. Why eco-friendly fashion matters. Fashion is one of the most polluting industries in the world. It's responsible for around 10% of global carbon emissions and nearly 20% of wastewater worldwide. That's more pollution than international flights and shipping combined. Fast fashion often relies on synthetic fibers like polyester, toxic dyes, and exploitative labor practices that harm both people and the planet. Cheap clothes might look good for a season, but the hidden cost is devastating. Overflowing landfills, polluted rivers, and communities trapped in cycles of poverty. But here's the good news. As a designer, you have the power to change this story. You can be part of a growing movement that values sustainability, transparency, and responsibility. Starting an eco-friendly fashion brand isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. And it can be good for business too, since today's consumers are more conscious than ever. Surveys show that more than 60% of shoppers are willing to pay extra for fashion that's sustainable and ethical. Step-by-step guide to starting an eco-friendly fashion brand. Step 1. Define your brand ethos. Before you sketch a design or source a single fabric, you need to define your brand values. Ask yourself, what does sustainability mean to you? Will your brand focus on zero waste, fair trade, biodegradable fabrics, or perhaps all of the above? Create a mission statement that reflects your vision. For example, your mission could be to create timeless garments using natural fabrics while empowering artisans with fair wages. This statement becomes your compass. It will guide every decision you make, from design to packaging. Step 2. Choose sustainable materials. Material choice is one of the biggest factors in your environmental impact. Some of the best options include organic fabrics. Organic cotton or hemp require far less water and no toxic pesticides. Recycled textiles, fabrics like recycled polyester or nylon made from ocean plastics. Biodegradable materials, think tencel, bamboo, linen, and even innovations like mushroom leather. Upcycled options, repurposing dead stock fabrics or transforming vintage pieces into new designs. Also, certifications matter. Look for fabrics certified by GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standard, Oecotex, or Fair Trade certified. These ensure your materials are safe for both people and the environment. Step 3. Design with purpose. Eco-design isn't only about what you make, it's about how long it lasts. Consider these strategies. Timeless, versatile styles instead of fast trend pieces. Modular or multi-wear designs that can be styled in different ways. Minimalist pattern cutting to reduce fabric waste. Digital sampling instead of multiple physical prototypes to cut textile waste. Step 4. Partner with ethical manufacturers. Production is where sustainability often succeeds or fails. Partner with factories that are transparent and committed to ethical labor practices. Always ask for third-party audits and certifications that guarantee fair wages, safe working conditions, and responsible environmental policies. For startups, small batch and low-waste manufacturers can be the perfect partners. We'll talk in a moment about the best countries for finding eco-friendly factories. Step 5. Use sustainable packaging. Packaging is often overlooked, but it's the first physical touchpoint for your customers. Instead of harmful plastics, choose compostable or biodegradable mailers, recycled cardboard boxes, water-based inks for printing, plantable seed tags or labels. Your packaging should echo your values and reinforce your brand's sustainability story. Step 6. Go digital and direct to consumer. Launching online not only cuts costs, it reduces your carbon footprint compared to traditional retail. Through e-commerce, you control the entire customer experience while minimizing excess energy use. Even your website can reflect your ethos. Optimized images, fast-loading pages, and minimal design can lower digital energy consumption. Small details matter. Step 7. Educate and involve your customers. Your customers are your community. Teach them how to care for garments, repair pieces, and recycle responsibly. Share behind-the-scenes stories of your production process. Then transparency builds trust, and informed customers often become loyal brand advocates. Eco-friendly fashion manufacturing thrives in Portugal with GOTS-certified factories, India with organic cotton and artisan techniques, and Bangladesh's RAP Fair Trade facilities. Vietnam and Turkey are rising leaders in sustainable production, while U.S. options reduce transport emissions. Real-world brands like Stella McCartney, Reformation, Pangaea, and Peopletree prove sustainability and style coexist. Launching responsibly means committing to transparency, values, and steady improvement. Small steps grow into big impact. Design for the future, and both planet and customers will thank you.